Hey ladies, welcome to Art of Beauty Hair Care. My name is Judy Carasco, known as Judy the Health Hair Speaker, the Scalp Detox Queen, and welcome to Art of Beauty Hair Care. For those of you who do not know me, I am passionate about skin and scalp care as well as hair care, and the reason being is because I'm in the beauty industry. I've been a veteran of 18 years as a licensed cosmetologist, and I'm also a hair loss practitioner certified, and I help women who are, going through struggles of hair loss. I decided to create a product that not only focuses on botanical extracts and also bringing healing to the scalp and the hair, but also bringing you the confidence that you need in order to make your hair grow and in order to just embrace who you are as a woman and embrace your hair wherever you are right now. So the great thing about Art of Beauty products is we have several kits that you can subscribe to quarterly in order to make sure that you get all of the products that you're going to need. Whether you have issues with your scalp, we have our scalp therapy kit that is great for those of you who are struggling with dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, psoriasis, eczema on your scalp. And then also too, we have our hydration kit. It's for those of you who have very, very dry hair. No matter what you use, you feel like your hair is just not growing. You feel like your hair is continually dull and it's continually dehydrated. So our hydration kit will help you with that. And then also too, we have our thermal styling kit, which is for those of you ladies who love to silk press, you love to flat iron your hair, but we want to make sure that we first protect the hair with our heat protection. So we have everything from start to finish in that line. So the latest kit that we just introduced is our natural styling kit, and it includes everything you're gonna need in order to style your hair, whether if you like a mousse, if you like a cream, if you like a pomade, and if you like a gel. We have all 4 items in our styling kit that helps you to have versatility, and you'll be able to use these products simultaneously. You can layer them as well too. They're all focused on hydrating your hair, adding moisture, body, natural shine, enhancing your curl without any alcohol, any buildup, or any ingredients that's going to cause your hair to break and to be dehydrated. So I want to thank you ladies for joining me. I want to thank you ladies for trusting this brand and for giving this brand a try, because we know you use everything on the market, but you haven't used Art of Beauty yet. So here's to the luxury of hair care. Are you ready?